video, I'll be showing you how I make my hair oil that works very effective on the hair. So guys, I'll be happy to carry you guys along, and don't forget to share this video and give it a thumbs up. Hi guys, you're welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, you are highly welcome. Please feel free to subscribe and hit on the bell notification so that you don't miss any video. Okay, so in this particular oil, I'll be using this onion peel. Feel free to use normal onion. So I am using onion peel, and you can as well use normal onion. They work the same. It's the same thing. Yeah. So the next thing I'll be using is garlic and ginger. I already chopped it. And this one is bay leaves. Yes, we know bay leaves that we use in jollof rice. And this one is fenugreek. This one is cloves. And the black one is black seeds. Then I have fresh curry leaves and fennel. So these are the ingredients. I'm so sorry I left out a particular ingredient, like it was a mistake. I don't know if you can guess. Can you guess the ingredient that I didn't add here that I'll be using? And it's a very important ingredient. So going over to my empty bottle, I already have fenugreek and little olive oil in there. So I'll just go ahead and add other things. And you need a container. Yes, you actually need a container, something like this, a jar. So I'll be going ahead to add my cloves. After adding my cloves, I'll be adding my black seed. You can add it in any order. You must not follow this order, okay? So you can add any one. This is my fennel. So I'll just go ahead and add it, and also add other things. You see how beautiful it's already looking. So I also add my garlic and ginger, and also my onion peels. Remember, you can use normal onion, okay? But I decided to use onion peel, and my fresh curry leaves also going into the jar, and also my bay leaves, my dried bay leaves. So feel free to use these ingredients and add it in any order. It must not be in this order, okay? So, and I'll be adding my coconut oil. So I use different oils when I'm making this oil, like oil that will definitely benefit my hair. So this is castor oil that I am adding now, then olive oil. Feel free to use any oil that you know that will benefit your hair, and also use the quantity that you want, okay? You must not use this measurement. Look at this beauty. Look at the combination of colors. Oh my God, it looks yummy. Yummy for the hair, right? So I went ahead to push it in to make it to mix together, so that the particular ingredient will not just be at a particular side, okay? So I mixed it so that it will be all over. Remember, I told you I omitted a particular ingredient, and that hasn't been added. So you can still guess at this point before it's being added. Look at this beauty. I will go ahead and use double boiling method in this particular recipe. Yeah, double boiling method is simply a procedure whereby you have to place your jar into a boiling water, okay? You are not going to fry it with the oil. You are not going to boil it directly into the pot, but you place it into the boiling water to boil for like 10 to 15 minutes, and then you take it down. At this point, you can start using your oil, but for me, I like to let all the ingredients release all its nutrients into the oil. So I will go ahead and leave it for the next day or days. This is actually when I remember that I haven't added this celebrity ingredients, which is rosemary. So I went ahead and added it into the oil, and also double boiled it again for 5 minutes. And this is the next day. Let me just give you a little break to watch the video, okay?
Oh,
now the oil is ready, guys, and I went ahead to add my vitamin E capsule, my vitamin E oil. Yeah, feel free to add it. If you don't have it or if you don't want it, you can skip that, okay? But I love vitamin E on my hair products, okay? So go ahead to add if you want or not, okay? Then mix together. From the shampoo, conditioner and the rest, I make my hair butter, my hair oil, and any other treatments that I want to use on my hair, like sprays and all of that. It just works perfectly well on my hair. You can see this is where my hair stopped, and somewhere here I'm even holding on it, I think. Yeah, you see. So, and this is added something, so you can see how my natural hair is. And yeah, this is what I've been using on my hair, and it has been so good. It's been working so effectively on my hair. And yeah, I don't have that dark hair because that's how my hair has been from the beginning. Like I never had dark hair. They usually say I have this color 33 hair color. So that's what I've been using on my hair, and you can as well use it if you're a woman. It will also help you to grow your hair as an African woman. Even as I am carrying this, I also always apply the hair butter and the hair oil into my scalp. Like it gives me space. You can see how spaced it is, so that I will always see the place where I will apply the stuff into my hair. So trust that you are learning something from this video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you have not subscribed, okay? And share it to your wives. If you're a man watching this video, share it to your friends. If you're a lady, yeah, this is our end product. Like the video, share, and don't forget to subscribe if you have not done so. Hit the bell button so that you receive notification. Stay safe out there, and see you in my next video. Bye.